This is a video introducing how to make a night guard for the patient. Put the night guard in hot water at a temperature of about 80 degrees Celsius. If the water is too hot, it can melt the night guard quickly, and if it's too cold, it cannot be molded properly. So it's important to use water at the right temperature. After about 10 to 15 seconds, take out the night guard from hot water and press it carefully onto the occlusal surface of the second provisional bridge. Press it carefully so that there are no empty spaces and it is well molded to the tooth. After the molding is completed, dry and harden the night guard with cold water or air. Mark the line to be cut on the night guard, which is about 2/3 of the gingival portion of the second provisional bridge. Cut along the marked line and gently trim the night guard incision with a denture burr. This is how you can make a customized and comfortable night guard that will protect the second provisional bridge.